If you plan on incorporating a video projector into your home for gaming or movies, then a projector screen is an important part of the setup to help you get the best image from your media. In the next few shots, you're going to see content from different projectors, but I'm using the same screen in all these shots. The screen I'm using is a really inexpensive one from Vankyo. It's labeled as a portable screen, and you'll see why in just a bit. Inside the box, this screen comes with mounting hooks, but I didn't use them because I didn't want to stick these on the wall. But you can choose to use them if you want, if you find that they work for you. Now the screen is packed in a fairly small box and it comes in a Ziploc bag. This is a 100-inch screen, but as indicated on the bag, there are other sizes available from Vankyo also. But the screen and hooks are the only things that come in the package, so it's quite minimal. Taking the screen out of the bag, it feels like a lump of fabric, which basically that's all it is. A large piece of white fabric with black edging on it. There are grommets around the perimeter for the included hooks, but as you know, I won't be using those hooks. Instead, I'll be using these push pins. The reason I'm using the push pins is because I can be more flexible on where I want the screen to be attached to the wall. The screen fabric is slightly elastic, so I wanted to be able to fasten this the best way I could while still maintaining the rectangular shape. I think it's actually kind of difficult to keep all the edges and corners straight if I didn't use the push pins. But as long as I can get the top edge straight, then the rest is easier to attach to the wall. On the edges, they pretty much fall straight down and I don't need to use as many pins. But I do use some pins in the grommet since they're good anchor points. Once both edges are secure, the screen is ready. But if your bottom edge isn't straight, you might need a few push pins there too. I tried my best to get this flat, but I just couldn't avoid getting ripples on parts of the screen. It's just the way the screen is because it's just mainly a piece of large fabric that's a bit elastic. If you see the manufacturer's product page, they show the screen as a perfect flat rectangle, but believe me when I say it's a bit difficult to get it straight and it's almost impossible to make it look like it does on the ads. But even with the ripples in it, I'm still able to enjoy watching movies with this screen. After a bit, I don't even see them since I get immersed into the video content. And for sure it's better than just using a wall, but this is definitely a budget projector screen. And at only around $26, it can be useful in many situations and it won't break the bank. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.